back to another video. This week we're going to be looking at a building that I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with. It's just outside of Midtown, but in case you guys aren't, it is called the Atlantic. It's located on 270 17th Street Northwest and is an incredible building, 46 stories, has a lot of amenities, and it's in one of the hottest areas in the city right now. Overall, a great place. But today we're going to be looking at just the unit inside of the building, and I want to show you guys the unit, see how it is, see how the price stacks against other places, and overall just see how you guys like it. So without further ado, let's get into the video.